Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning everyone.
Morning, Miss.
How are you today? Do you have good mood or bad mood?
Good.
How can you get the good mood today?
Video, Miss.
Yes, thank you.
Because you teach me.
Thank you. Okay. Before we start the class, so I want to all of you pray first. Okay? Praise. Praise. Okay. Then I would like to check your attendance. So if I call your name, so please give your response like raise hand or say present. Andi Kamsina.
Yes, Miss.
Thank you. Nur Aziza Ahmad.
Yes, Miss.
Nurul Istiqomah.
Yes, Miss.
Azhara Baso.
Yes, Miss.
Adeda Hidayah Nur.
Yes, Miss.
Warbina Zakia.
Yes, Miss.
Naila Fauzia. Ani Sylvia.
Yes, Miss.
Fatimah Nurul Satova.
Yes, Miss.
Nurul Ramdhani.
Yes, Miss.
Poni Larasanti.
Yes, Miss.
Isnawati. Nurul Ilma. Safira Azhara Rizkyani. Sulastri.
Yes, Miss.
Nesa Mutmainah.
Yes, Miss.
Ainun Nisha.
Yes, Miss.
Putri Aulia.
Yes, Miss.
Ajeng Gevira.
Yes, Miss.
Siti Radia Solihah.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, does anyone I didn't call your name, guys?
Yes. Miss.
I have to call your name. Okay, we have 20 students today. Okay. Now, so today we will learn the reading class that I will give you the kind of narrative text. And then there are several learning objectives that I expect to you to learn about some items. First, identify the main ideas and specific information in a narrative text, and then analyze the generic structure of the text, and then understand key vocabulary, discuss and share ideas through the think, pair, share phase, and then identify the moral value of the story. Okay, have you ever read or listen or watch some story that mention these pictures?
Yes,
Yes. Can, what is this? What story is this? Have you read or saw the story of this picture?
Yes, Miss.
So above among the pictures, can you image what type of story?
Narrative.
Narrative. Okay. So actually, what is the definition of narrative text? Can anybody read the definition of narrative text about? Okay,
Miss. So, narrative text is a type of text that tells a story or series of events in order to entertain, inform, or teach a moral lesson to the readers. And the purpose of narrative text is to entertain the readers, engage their imagination, and convey moral values through a story.
Okay, thank you, Andi Kamsina. So, in simply, narrative text is tell about story, the legend story that give the suggestion, that give the moral lesson for the listener, the reader, and etc. Okay, next. In narrative text also has some several of generic structure. what is the first one?
Orientation.
So in orientation, describe about the background of the story, shows about the characters, setting time, setting place, and whatever. And sometimes it shows in the first paragraph. And the second one is
Complication.
in this section, in this page, there are several paragraphs that shows the problem, the conflict, the challenges of the main characters or the some characters. And then the last
Resolution.
in this page is part of the break of the conflict, the break of the complication that shows the problem is solved, and it also shows the happy ending or sad ending like that. Okay, we begin to think individually. So I wanna one of you to read each paragraph. Okay, does anyone want to read the first paragraph? Okay, the behind girl over there. Please the the first paragraph, please.
Once upon a time, there was a kind and beautiful girl named Belle. She lived in a small village with her father, who was a poor but hardworking investor. Belle loved reading books and preferred staying at home, although some villagers thought she was different. Belle stayed confident and kind to everyone.
Okay, thank you, Honorable Istiqomah. And then the second paragraph. Who wants to read this paragraph?
Mimi.
And Nuridayana, please.
One day, Belle's father got lost in a dark forest during a journey. While trying to find his way, he saw a large and mysterious castle. Because he was tired, he went inside to rest. Suddenly, a scary beast appeared and became very angry. The beast locked Belle's father in the castle. When Belle heard this, she bravely went to the castle and asked the beast to free her father. The beast agreed, but only if Belle stayed in the castle instead of her father. Without hesitation, Belle accepted the offer to save him. At first, Belle was afraid of the beast because of his appearance and voice, but later she realized that he did not hurt her. Instead, he was kind to her. He gave her a comfortable room and let her explore the castle. As time passed, they talked more and spent time together. Slowly, Belle understood that the beast was actually gentle and comforting.
Okay, thank you. And then one student to read the third paragraph. Indonesia, please.
One day, Belle saw in a magic mirror that her father was very sick. She asked the beast for permission to go home, and he kindly allowed her. After Belle left, the beast felt very lonely and sad. While in the village, Belle realized that she missed the beast. She understood that she cared about him. She quickly decided to return to the castle.
Okay, thank you, Indonesia. And then the last paragraph. Who wants to read? Citra Dia, please.
Okay, when Belle arrived, she saw the beast lying weak in the garden. She felt very sad, held him, and said that she loved him. Suddenly, a magical light appeared. The curse was broken, and the beast changed into a handsome prince.
Okay, thank you, Citra Dia. Okay, thank you for all of you guys to come. Okay, now because only some of you, only 4 students read the text, I want to all of you read deeply the text. I want to give you 3 minutes. Can I?
Yes.
Can you read deeply the text, guys? Because you will do the exercise or worksheet. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, I will give you 3 minutes. about the text, guys?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, now we start to pair phrase and will be continue with share phrase. In the pair phrase, I will give you the worksheet paper. So I want to all of you make a group with the partners. So in each group has 2 students. Okay, so you can find your partner to make the group. And then I will share the paper first. See? Between your
I think.
Okay, now pay attention please. I will give you the instruction before you answer the worksheet. So you have for activity. Before you do the worksheet, mention your write your member's name and you can create your group name. So you can name your group category, whatever you want. And then activity 1. It asks you to get the main idea to each paragraph. So what is the main paragraph? The first paragraph 1, paragraph 2, paragraph 3, and the last paragraph. And the activity 2, it asks you to understanding the text. So I think all of the question and the answer, it answered based on the text. And then in activity 3, you will be identified which paragraph of the orientation, complication, and resolution. And you can write which one the orientation, paragraph 1 maybe, or paragraph 3, maybe anything. Okay? And the last activity, you will be get the personal opinion. So your opinion and your idea, you can put them. You can put there. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. In this phase, I will give you 5 minutes to do with your partners in 5 minutes. Is it enough?
Yes,
Okay. Okay. 5 minutes is go.
Okay, the first paragraph introduces that there are a beautiful girl named Belle, and Belle lived in a small village with her family, and her father was a poor but hardworking individual, and Belle sacrificed herself to save her father and this. The conflict begins when Belle's father is captured by the beast. Beauty and the Beast. The beast turns into a prince after Belle expresses her love.
Does anything clear, guys? Okay. Don't sleep, guys.
Gara-gara suntik beli kartu bebas. Padahal harusnya bisa diapain. Finish, miss.
Finish, miss.
Done.
Okay. Okay, have you discussed with your partner, guys?
Yes,
miss. Okay. And then we will continue the share text. So I wanna all of you to present your idea based your discuss with your partner to in front of your friends, the other friends. Okay. I wanted to each group to each activity. Okay. About activity 1, the main idea. Does any group to share their idea? Okay, Andika Kristina and Sulastri. Please, stand up.
Oh.
Okay. Okay, you can mention your group name first.
Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Our group name is 1, 2, 3.
Cimori.
Okay.
Okay, for the first paragraph, the main idea is introduction of Belle as a kind girl who lives with her father.
Bella lived in the village and her personality.
And paragraph 2, Bella sacrificed herself to save her father and meets the beast.
And the conflict begins when Bella's father is captured by the bear.
And for the paragraph 3, the conflict begins when Belle's father is captured by the beast.
And Bella believes they still and understand her feelings.
And for the last paragraph, the beast turns into a prince after Belle expresses her love.
And finally, the story ends happily when the course is over.
Okay, thank you for the group. Okay, next let me continue with activity 2. Which group to want to give the idea, guys? Okay, Nessa and the corner. Okay.
Yes, and the game. Yes, and the game.
Satu dulu belum.
Hey, you.
Yes.
Yes. I think you sleep in the bed. Yes, kayaknya like bosan yang ini.
Well, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We are from group Malaysia. I am Nessa Mutlaina and my friend
Aulia Ramadhani.
we answer activity 2. Okay, the question.
Who are the main characters in the story? The main character in the story is Belle the Beast and Belle's father.
And Belle and the Beast. The Beast.
Question 2.
What problem did Belle face in the story? Belle had to live with the Beast to save her father.
Okay, for me, she had to choose between her freedom and saving her father. Now, the last question: how did the story end? For me, the Beast became a prince after Belle said she loved him.
The curse was broken and they lived happily.
Okay, thank you for group Malaysia.
Okay, thank you for the group Malusia. Okay. Karena Maluca. Okay, then we will continue with the activity 3. Who want to share the idea, guys? The activity 3.
Yang paragraf kedua sama
2 sama 3 itu
application ketiga
Anis di mana? Sebentar aku jawab. Who want to give the idea about the activity 3, guys? Will you say idea?
Yes, miss.
Okay. With whom you are?
With Adit.
Okay, come on.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, after we read the text, we know where's the orientation. For the orientation is the first paragraph and complication second and third paragraph, and the last is resolution in fourth paragraph or the last paragraph.
Okay, thank you. What's your group name?
Yeah, beautiful group.
Okay, thank you. Okay, last activity. Does anyone want to share the idea about personal opinion?
Sebenarnya
Okay.
the last activity by me. I don't like. Who is here?
Belum membahas.
In activity 4, personal opinions, the question is what do you think about the Beast character? Is he good or bad? I think he is actually kind but misunderstood.
I think he looks scary, but he's a good person inside.
If you were Bella, what would you do differently? I will try to trust the Beast early.
I think I would still save my father, but be careful.
And then the last question is, what lesson can you learn from this story? I learned about do not judge people by their appearance.
What I learned is true love and kindness can change someone.
Thank you.
Thank you guys.
Okay, thank you for the okay. Okay, all of this activity has been answered for all of you guys. Thank you for answering. Okay, we almost to the end of the class. So before we end, I want to let you to give what moral you can get from the text, from this kind of the text. So does anyone to share? Okay, Andika Sina, please. Okay.
So today we learn about narrative text, and narrative text is the text that tells a story.
And so everyone, please, just your voice, please. Okay. Listen to Andika Sina.
Okay, narrative text is the type of text that tells a story, and narrative text has three parts. The first is orientation, second is complication, and the last is resolution. And in orientation, it tells the beginning of the story, like introduce the characters, the setting, and for the complication is the problem or the conflict of the story, and for the last is the ending of the story. And in this part, the problem is solved. I think that's all.
Okay, thank you, Andika Sina. Clap your hand from. Okay, because we have get the evaluation or reflection for this class. So I think that's all for my class today. Thank you for joining for the reading class with Miss Nabila. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.